Hello everyone, welcome to Coders Project. I'm Abhay and today I'm going to be introducing to Cyclone Connect, an app which we built for Computer Science 309 course at Iowa State University. This app is designed to enhance the university experience for students at Iowa State University. Whether you're navigating campus life, managing your academic schedule, or just looking for a bit of trivia, this app has it all. Let's dive into a detailed demo of it. So this is our home screen and you have a login and a sign up button. New users will have to click on sign up and select the account type. If you're a student, faculty, advisor, or an admin, select the appropriate account type and enter your details over here. So for email, you'll have to enter an email which belongs to the Iowa State domain. If you enter an email which doesn't belong to an Iowa State domain, you won't be able to create an account with us. I'm quickly going to demonstrate that to you. Okay, once I click on create this account, the first error which it's going to pop is the email must have an Iowa State domain. Let's go ahead and change that. And now let's say I have a password which is not 8 characters and which doesn't have a special character or a number. It's not going to let us create an account. So it's going to pop an error saying it must be 8 characters long. Now it should meet the 8 character limit, but we don't have a special character. So let's go ahead and include a special character. Now let's click on create an account. As you can see, we got a message saying like user registered successfully. Now we'll be able to sign in with that email. And if we go ahead and enter our password and click on login, we should be able to sign into our app. Right after you log in our home screen, you can celebrate the history of Iowa State University with our daily trivia feature. Each day, you're going to discover 8 random photos that highlight significant moments, important landmarks from Iowa State University. It's a perfect start to your day, full of learning and inspiration. Now, if you look down, we have a bottom nav bar, which is going to navigate between our home page, Head Start feature, and our profile. So if we click on profile, it should take us to our profile where we have our first name, last name, our email, our account type, our ID for user ID for our app, and this is your password which is hidden. And you have social media links you can go ahead and add, and then it will redirect to that specific app. And let's say you want to update your information, you can just click on update user info, and you can go ahead and change your name or email and also your password, and then hit on save. Once you hit on save, it should update and you should be redirected to the profile page. Now going back to the profile updates page, you can also delete the account. This will send an email to the admin asking permission to delete, and once it gets processed, the admin will go ahead and delete your account. And you can also go ahead and add the photo. If you click on edit photo feature, you can go ahead and capture the photo or select the photo and then upload it. Right now we have this image. I'm going to select a photo from my gallery and I'm going to upload it. And now if we move back to our profile page, you can see our photo has been uploaded. You can also go ahead and capture and upload your photo. I'm quickly going to go ahead and change the emulator to my phone so I'll be able to capture the photo. I've switched to my phone, and now if you click on capture photo, open your app where you'll be able to take the photo and you should be able to upload it. Okay, now if you click on update the photo, your photo is going to get updated. Now if you go back to our profile, you can see that our photo has been updated. Similarly, if you want to delete your photo, you can just click on delete your photo and the photo will be removed. Now let's go ahead and re-add our photo. Quickly going to take a photo over here. Okay. Let's go ahead and upload this. Okay, as you can see, the profile photo has been updated. Alright, now switching back to the emulator. If you click on our Head Start feature in the bottom nav bar, it should take you to our Head Start homepage, where you'll be able to select your course, your major, and you should be able to view the details for that specific course and get a head start, learn ahead, and be in top 1% of your class by getting a head start in that specific course. For example, I'm going to select computer science now, and under computer science you have the list of all computer science courses for that specific major. And let's say you go ahead and click on any course. It should give you details about that specific course, the full course name, the course number, course ID, description about the course, the prerequisites, if any are there. You got to finish those before you take this course, the total credits, the programming languages, frameworks, how hard is it going to be, how much time it's going to consume, what resources you have, what are the best resources, any embedded resource links which will help you get a head start in that course, a roadmap which basically tells you what you should do in order to succeed in this course, and reviews. These are reviews given by the students from the previous semesters, which professor will manually enter over here, and the rating for the course. And it will also show which professor updated this course. Similarly, you can view the details for other courses as well. That's our Head Start feature. Now, if we go back to our home page and click on the three bars over here, it should open the app drawer where we have a few other features like advisor chat. So this feature is going to let you chat with an advisor without waiting for your appointment date, or if you have a quick question you want to ask your advisor and don't have time to wait 3 or 4 days before your meeting with the advisor begins, you can just click on advisor chat and you should be able to join the live server chat with an advisor. Any advisor from your major who's available right now will have access to this chat and should be able to join your chat. Let's go ahead and sign up as an advisor over here so I can show you the features over there. As you can see, I've signed up as an advisor over here, and now if you go to the profile, and you'll have an additional option known as advisor view. If you click on this, you'll be able to log into your advisor homepage, and you'll have a student chat feature. So if you click on the student chat, you should be able to join the chat, and if you send a message, the student will be able to view the message, and you can ask any of your questions, and the advisor will be able to view the question which you ask, and she should be able to resolve it for you. And once you or the advisor quits the chat, you're going to get a notification over here saying user so and so has been disconnected. Now you can exit the chat. Now if you click on the drawer again, you have a calendar option where you can add your to-do list or calendar. Let's say you're going to add a new event for now. I'm going to select today's date. I'm going to select a random time for now. Enter the event description, and if I click on save the event, it's going to save it to the server and it will display over here. And if you click on this, you should be able to delete this from the server. And this is a weekly view, so you can store events for up to a week in advance. Going back to our homepage, app drawer, we have our maps feature. So you should be able to view our maps in satellite view. It has 3 predefined pinpoints. One is the Parks Library, Central Campus, and our Memorial Union. These are the 3 most popular locations at Iowa State University, so we pinpointed these. You should also be able to see the traffic over here and 3D view. And we added a pretty cool feature in our app. Let's say you want to go from one location to another location within the campus. you should be able to view the distance, which will take you through the buildings, through the entrances through the buildings to reach the destination using the displacement rather than going all the way around in the road. And now in our notes feature, you should be able to see the notes which were added by the students, and you should be able to create a new note, and it gets saved over here. You can also create it from here. And you should also be able to delete the note. And we have our help menu. So if you click on the help menu, you'll have a few other features like emergency contacts. By clicking this feature, you should be able to view the list of emergency contacts available and what that specific department does and their phone number. In case of a fire, or if you need to call the police, you can call 911. That's the emergency line. Or if you need a safe ride, or if you need to call the student health center, you can see the details over here and call the specific number to book an appointment. And if you click on the navigate app, this should show you how to navigate inside our app. Let's say you are not able to find a feature, or if you're having trouble navigating from one section to another section, you can click on the navigate app feature and look for what you're trying to access and get a detailed step-by-step instruction on how to go there. Track of your health is a very important thing, especially when you're a student. If you're healthy and if you have a lot of energy in you, you will be able to study and ace your semester. So we have built our health and wellness feature where you'll be able to keep track of your exercises and also count your steps when you're roaming around the campus. So once you click on health and wellness, you should be able to visit the SciFit feature, and you can click on see your exercises, and we have a list of exercises which will help you burn your calories. And for example, let's say we're going to click on this exercise. It's going to show you how many calories it's going to burn if you do this exercise for 40 minutes, and what's the benefits for this. For example, this specific exercise is going to boost your cardiovascular health, increases leg strength, enhances coordination, etc. Similarly, we have other exercises with other benefits, so students will be able to view this and do them depending on what they want to improve on and increase their health. And now if you click on the step counter, you'll be able to count your steps throughout the campus. And if you don't have a step counter installed or the sensors installed in your phone, it's going to show an error. For example, on my emulator, I don't have a live sensor available, so it's going to pop an error saying like I don't have a sensor available on this device. I'm quickly going to switch over to my phone so I can count the steps. Right, I've switched to my phone now. Now if I click on the step counter, you're not going to get an error saying like the sensor is not available. And if I click on start, I should be able to start counting my steps. So this feature is going to help you keep track of your steps if you're moving across the campus, and it should record how many steps you're traveling, how many steps you're going to be taking when you're traveling between one point to another point in the campus. This is a good way to keep track of how many steps you're doing. And let's say you want to improve your health. If you want to hit your target of 5k steps a day or 10k steps a day, you can pretty much leave this on and count your steps throughout the day. And once you click on stop, it's going to pause the activity, reset the counter, and it's going to close the feature. Help menu. If you click on report bugs, you should be able to report any kind of bugs or errors which you found while using our app to the admin, so they can go ahead and fix it and resolve the bug for you. For example, let's say I found a bug. This is where I found it. And if you click on report, the information should be sent to the admin, and he or she should be able to respond to it, resolve it, and then email the customer back. And now if you don't have time to wait for an offline report bug, you also have an option to chat with the admin on a live chat. Let's say the admin is available right now, you can click on the live chat feature, and you should be able to join the admin chat and pretty much wait for the admin to join back. I'm going to sign up as an admin now. Let's log in as an admin. Now if you click on the profile, admin will have few other features like advisor view, professor view, and admin button. Since admin has the option to view all the advisor homepage, professor homepage, and admin homepage, he can pretty much go ahead and resolve any kind of bugs or issues with the app. For example, I'm going to go to our admin homepage and click on the bugs chat, and it's going to show that I have joined the chat as an admin. And if we go back to our student emulator over here, you can see that the user 23 admin has joined the chat, and you can send a message like, hey, I found a bug, and you should be able to view over here that you found, the user sent a message like he found a bug, and you can pretty much go ahead and send a message, get the information, and resolve the bug, and you can quit the chat. So it's going to show that you're disconnected from the chat, and over here also it's going to show you disconnected. This feature helps you report any kind of a bug which you encountered while using our app in a live chat with the admin, so that we can go ahead and improve and fix the bugs which are in our app. Say hello to Cyclone AI, your smart campus assistant ready to answer any question you have. This is more like a friend to you rather than any chatbot which is going to straight away give you any answer. Let's quickly take a look at it. So as soon as you click on the Cyclone AI feature, it's going to pop up a welcome message. It says, hi there, I'm Cyclone AI. I'm happy to assist you today. Treat me like a friend. I'm not like any other bots. I'm still a version 1.0, a baby one could call. I might not be able to give accurate answers right now, but will improve in time. For example, let's say I'm going to give you a welcome message like, hi. It's going to respond back asking me, do you want me to tell you a joke? I'm going to be sure. So it's going to tell a joke, and I found it pretty funny. I'm going to say LOL, and it's going to be like, life is better when you're laughing. This is more like a friend to you. It's not going to straight away give you an answer. For example, let's say write a 1,000-word essay. It's supposed to answer sarcastically and or funnily when you are trying to ask something which it doesn't know how to answer. So it says, it count me on this one. I was never much of a writer. So this is going to help students have like an AI friend whom they can chat and share their information. It's going to store all the information which we had in the previous chats and pretty much answer any question. However, it will not help you do your assignments or pretty much cheat on anything. So it's not going to straight away give you the answer. It's going to help you learn what the topic is, but it's not going to do your job for you. Misplace something? Well, you can use a sci-find feature to report and locate the lost items on the campus. So once you click on the sci-find feature, it's going to take you to the sci-find's homepage, where you'll be able to see the list of items which other people reported which they found. And if you click on any of the item, you should be able to see the name, description, where they found it, which date they found, your email address, what category it belongs to, and a photo of it. Now if you go ahead and click on report found, you should be able to enter in the details and then capture a photo and submit. I'm quickly going to switch over to my phone, so I'll be able to enter all the details and capture a photo and upload and quickly demonstrate that to you. Alright, let's go ahead and enter the details over here. Item name, I'm going to do it as MacBook Pro. Description, Apple laptop. I'm going to select the category as electronics. Location where I found it, I'm going to enter it as Iowa State University. I'm going to select the date when I found it. I'm going to enter my email over here so other people will be able to contact me if they have any questions, or if it's their item which they found and they want to contact me, reach me out, and pretty much see when they can collect their item. They can go ahead and do that. And if I click on capture the photo, it should open my camera, so I'll be able to capture the photo. And I can go ahead and upload this. Once I hit submit, it's going to get reported, and you should be able to see that it's been uploaded over here. Alright, now heading over to our next feature, a GPA calculator. This is going to help you keep track of your GPA. You can add your courses, update it or delete it. Let's go ahead and add a few courses now. Course 1, credits 3, I'm going to keep it as A minus. I'm going to add this one. Course 2, credits, let's say 4. I'm going to keep this as B plus. Add the course. Course 3, credits 5. I'm going to keep it as A. Add the course. As you can see, it will calculate your GPA and display over here along with the cumulative grade what you have. And let's say during the semester or at the end of the semester your grades change, you can go ahead and update it. You can go ahead and select the new updated grade. I'm going to select A for this one. I'm going to make this A minus, and I'm going to make this one A. And if I click on update the course, the GPA should get updated and calculated based on the updated course details. And you can also go ahead and delete the courses depending on what card ID it is. You can view the ID number over here, select delete course, enter the ID over here, and you should be able to delete the course. This will help keep track of your GPA, helps you stay focused, and helps you estimate what grade you need in order to get your desired GPA. Moving on to the next feature, we have a student organizations page where you'll be able to view the list of clubs which are available at Iowa State University. And once you click on it, a small description about it, and you should be able to view the group members who have joined. So you should be able to only view the group members once you are a member in that club. So I'm going to quickly join this club, and if I go back and view the group members, it's going to show that I have joined. Similarly, you can join the other clubs and you can view who are in that club. Now moving on to our next feature. So weather's a thing which we have included in our app to give you the next 5 days weather forecast along with your current location's weather. So right now, Sunday, May 12th, for 11:03 p.m., the current temperature is 18 degrees Celsius, and it has a chance of moderate rain. The humidity percentage over here, wind speed, and what's the actual feels like temperature. And it's also going to show you the next 5 days weather forecast over here. This will help students prepare and get a live weather update. Moving on to our next feature. Our next feature is the BMI Calculator. So once you click on it, you should be able to view your BMI Calculator. You can go ahead and enter your weight over here, your age, and your height. And if you click on calculate, it's going to calculate your BMI and display over here. Currently it's a 19.0 normal healthy weight, and it should prompt you or give you a small message over here regarding your BMI. You're at a healthy weight for your height. You lower the risk of developing serious health problems. Let's say, for example, I increase my weight to 90, and once I hit calculate, it's going to say my BMI is 31.1, and it's going to say moderately obese. You're heavily overweight. Your health may be at risk if you don't lose weight. So this will help the students keep track of your BMI and pretty much give them an update or a warning on what their BMI is right now and what they should be aware of, and if they have any consequences if their BMI is high or low. Moving on to our next feature. If you're having any trouble making decisions, for example, I'm having a trouble making decision between drinking coffee or tea now. I like both coffee and tea. We can help you decide if you're having a hard time deciding between two choices. So I'm going to ask a question. It's going to recognize my question, for example, now. And once I click on ask, it's going to randomly generate an answer and display over here. It has either yes, no, or ask again, or I don't know the answer for that, and it's going to display over here. And depending on what it says, you can either test your luck out and listen to whatever randomly generated output it gives and do that, or help you improve your decision making. So looks like I'm going to drink a coffee now. Pretty much what users can do right now. And now we're going to go ahead and switch our account types to see what other users can do, and what are the features they have which the student doesn't have. Let's quickly go to this one where we had signed up as an admin. So over here I'm an admin, and I can view the advisor view, professor view, and admin button. So let's say I'm going to see what the admin homepage has. So it can fetch all users. It can pretty much display all the users who have signed into our app. And as we saw earlier, we can also chat on a live chat to resolve any bugs with the students. We can go ahead and update the emergency contacts. So these are our emergency contacts right now. And let's say I want to go ahead and add an emergency contact. I can click on add, enter the contact name, phone number. I'm just going to keep it as 55555, and I'm going to enter the description, and I'm going to click on submit. So you should be able to view the new contact over here, and you can go ahead and update it. So for this, you'll have to view the contact, get the ID from here, and click on update, enter the ID, enter the new name, updated phone number, and description, and it should get updated over here. Similarly, you can go ahead and delete it. I'm going to delete ID 8, and it should be deleted from our server. So similarly, you can go ahead and edit the navigation items, go ahead and update, add, or delete them, and you should also be able to edit the user, edit any head start information. Once you click on the head start button, you should be able to select what you want to edit, either the majors which are displayed over here, or the courses, or when you click on it, that specific course content. For example, I'm going to add a major. I'm going to click on the major, and then click on add, and then I'm going to enter the new major name, and a new major should be added over here. Right now, if you click on it, there are no courses available under it. So let's go ahead and add a course under this. So we're going to go back to courses, add a new course, major ID 7, new course, C101, testing, add the course. Now if you click on view courses, select the major, you should be able to view the course over here. Similarly, you can go ahead and visit specific courses and update, add, and delete all the information which are required for that specific course. Moving on to the next feature in the admin homepage, we have our exercise page, where you can go ahead and view the exercises over here, and you can add any exercise, update, or delete similarly. And if you click on exercise benefits, which is the next page, you should be able to enter the benefits for that specific exercise over here. And let's say for example, I had reported a MacBook earlier which I found, and any user contacted me regarding their MacBook, and they emailed me regarding it, and I gave it to them. So now I can go ahead and start a chat with an admin and tell that I gave this item to the user and it has been resolved. The admin can go to the sci-fi feature over here and pretty much delete that item. That item should be deleted successfully. Now if you go reopen sci-find, that should be deleted. Now let's go ahead and delete and resolve the item 11 as well. And let's go ahead and reopen sci-find. It should be deleted over here. So these are the features which admin has right now, and I'm going to sign up as an advisor here and view the advisor homepage. Advisor should also have an option to edit all the information which are available in the Head Start feature, the majors, courses, and that specific course details. And let's go ahead and sign up as a professor now. Okay, we're going to sign up as a professor. Professor at istate.edu, prof1, let's go ahead and create an account for the professor. Account has been created. Let's go ahead and sign in with that email and password. As you can see, I've signed up as a professor, and now in the professor view, I'll only have an option to go ahead and edit the Head Start features. If I click on the head start, I should be able to go ahead and edit, update, or delete, or add any major courses or that specific course. So these are the features which the student advisor, admin, and student have to do in our app. And I hope you enjoyed our app. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay updated for more videos, and I'm going to be posting few tutorials soon, so keep an eye out for them. Go ahead and click on that bell icon and sign up for the notifications, like my video, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.